Emotional intelligence is a set of capabilities which draw heavily on personality, and there are three key components that affect a person's ability to relate to other people at work. The first is recognizing and interpreting emotions. And when a person is high on this, it means that they can recognize the emotions of other people and themselves and make good decisions. You'll see that this candidate is population average. 50 is around population average, and so that constitutes a medium risk. High is better because it's good to be able to recognize the emotions of other people and base some of your decisions on them. The second component of emotional intelligence is optimism and the ability to self-regulate emotions. An optimistic person is often better at self-regulating their emotions, which means that if something distressing happens to them, they are much more likely on their own to be able to set themselves back on course and to continue to work effectively and relate effectively to other people. So once more, high is better. You see this person's score is average and therefore medium risk. The third characteristic of emotional intelligence is using emotions for decision making. There are certain jobs where this is a good thing, and there are certain jobs where it's a bad thing. If a job requires cognitive and rational decision making, such as a surgeon deciding on the best procedure for a patient, then you would hope that the decision is not made emotionally. If, on the other hand, the job has what's called emotional labor associated with it, and an example might be, say, a counseling role where you need to take the emotions of the other person into account, then it might be a good thing. So this person, once more, is average.